Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light, or the oil life, on a Honda HRV. It's very simple, and it's a lot the same as many Honda cars. So just follow me along. There are a couple of ways to reset this car's oil life monitor. Let me guide you through the cluster method first. Step 1. Turn the key to position 2 or press the start button 2 times without depressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Use the trip knob on top of the clusters, and you're gonna hit it till you get to the service or oil life. Step 3. Hold the trip knob down for 10 seconds till the oil life start to blink. Step 4. Release, and then you need to hold it again for another 5 seconds so it'll stop blinking and the oil life will reset to 100%. In this section, I will show you how to reset the oil life in this HRV using a different method. We'll use the steering wheel buttons. So let's see how it's done. Step 1. Turn the key to position 2 or press the start button 2 times without depressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Use these toggles on the steering wheel, and you're going to switch through until you get to Vehicle Settings and pull the Reset button to select the menu. Step 3. After that, you're going to scroll all the way to Maintenance Info, and you're going to select that. Step 4. Scroll down one time to highlight Reset, and then pull the Reset button to confirm it, and you're done. Alright, this section will show you how to reset the maintenance light on the 3rd generation of the Honda HRV. So the way you reset is: Step 1. Push the start button twice to get all the ignition on without starting the car. Step 2. Press the home button to bring you to the main menu. Step 3. Roll the left selector wheel to find the spanner menu and pressing it to enter the menu. Step 4. When you see the oil life screen, hold down the selector wheel for about 10 seconds to bring you to the maintenance reset menu. Step 5. Scroll down to all do items and press the wheel to confirm the reset, and you're done. If the cluster method does not work for you, you can also use the touchscreen. So let's hop over to it. Step 1. Start by clicking the home button to get the main menu. Step 2. Scroll to the right and tap on the Vehicle Settings menu. Step 3. Find and select Maintenance Information. Step 4. Now select Reset Items. Step 5. Next, you can either choose all do items or just oil and filter. Step 6. Finally, select Reset to confirm, and that is going to reset your maintenance minder. So that's how the oil reset is done on this car. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please subscribe and check out my other video if you found this helpful. So, thanks for joining me today, and have a great time.